What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this is a long overdue video. Everybody's been wanting to see how I pluck my frontals and how I pluck my closures. It's the same method, but let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing y'all what the frontal came. It did come pre-plucked. Mind you, these knots are not bleached, so keep that in mind. But it did come with a little bit of baby hairs as well. So now for the two things that you're going to need a clip and you're going to need tweezers, of course. These are the non-slip tweezers, which they have a grip on the inside that holds the hair. You don't have to get these specific tweezers, but I would advise them because you're working with hair. If not, if you don't have those specific tweezers, just wet the hair a little bit, you know, make it a little bit easier for yourself. So I start by taking a section in the front, almost kind of where our baby hairs would be, and I pull that to the face. And I'm not going to just mess with it yet. I'm going to start plucking the hair that is behind that section. Start plucking that backwards, towards away from the face. Okay, so now you'll see me plucking the hair that is towards the mannequin's face. But when I'm plucking, I'm using a lighter hand and I'm not going as heavy or as deep as I would for the hair that is away from the face. And so I know a lot of people usually ask me, like, how do you know how much to pluck? How do you know when to stop plucking? I eyeball it, honestly, y'all. Like, what I'll do is I'll pluck. I'll take that front section that's in the very, very front, in the mannequin's head, and I'll pull it back. Once I pull that section back, if there's a graduated, like, difference in the hair, I know that I've been plucking enough. If there's still bulkiness in the hair, pluck more. If you start seeing some bald spots, baby girl, you done went a little too far. So as you guys are noticing, I am going vertically up the side of that ear of the head of the mannequin head. I do that first. I always go vertically first. I go start with the sides, and I go on ahead and part vertically, and then, you know, take another section, keep going. However, once I am done that whole thing and I get to the back of the end of the frontal of that section, I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to cut it vertically. This is going to give me more definition and more, you know, customization in my frontal. I part it vertically and I repeat the same steps. Now, I usually do the sides of the frontal first. I don't know why. It's just a habit. You don't have to. But I do that first. And then I go into the middle of the section. Because I feel like the middle is where it matters the most. Because everybody parts their hair in the middle. They part their hair on the sides. I mean, that chunk right there is just a big step. So, I go on ahead. And like I did the sides, I take a section in the front, boom, that's my first section. I'm pulling it to the front of the mannequin head. And then the rest, I'm going to go back. And it's just the same process. So because this unit did come with baby hairs, nobody's baby hairs are thick as fuck. So I kind of did go on ahead and, you know, plucked a little bit of the baby hairs just because I didn't want it to be too bulky. I don't know, nobody's hair is that bulky, and especially a hairline is very graduated from like scalp to hair. So I just wanted to make sure I did that. So right here, I'm showing you guys how much hair I actually did pluck out. It seems like a lot, but mind y'all, it's a whole frontal from ear to ear. And that bad boy is customized, okay? So here I'm just showing you guys what the actual hairline looks like on a head. Like I said, these knots are not bleached. I did not bleach the knots yet. I do have a video on that. If you haven't seen it, make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys really learned something from this video. I know it's long overdue, but yeah, guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.